How long has it been since you laugh out loud? Oh, laugh out loud. What is exactly laugh out loud? Laugh out loud यानी जोर से हंसना. Okay. So did I laugh at loud or kind of like a something really that ki uh yes, I laugh at loud. Yeah. Like basically one of my friend has a haldi ceremony couple of days ago, and everyone friends was there. एंड लाइक बेसिकली अगर सारे दोस्त एक जगह पे हो जाते देन जस्ट लाइक दैट थिंग्स हैपन, फिर आप बात करते हो हंसते हो, जस्ट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन. ओके सो या आई लाफ एट लाउड almost like a couple of days ago. Day before that, yeah, I haven't really laughed that much loud. Why? Because of that ki there are some certain people required to laugh that loud. Okay, yeah, yeah, you could laugh while you are watching some sort of comedy skit or kind of like a something really comedy video, whatever it is. Okay, you laugh. Okay, but you laugh at inside, whatever it is, like that na कि you are watching just kind of like a something like a stand-up comedy show on YouTube or whatever it is. Okay, whatever platform, uh, you laugh. Okay, the joke is actually stuck inside your head and you have started laughing. Okay, you laugh from inside but you didn't laugh from kind of like a something like एकदम हंस हंस के like just an example is that ना, जब आप दोस्तों के साथ हंसते हो वहाँ पे जोक इतना ज़्यादा kind of like a something not that much kind of like a something that you should supposed to be laugh that loud. Okay, but फिर भी हम हंसते. Why? Because of that कि in that particular moment, in that particular situation जहाँ पे सारे दोस्त everyone is actually laughing, तो आप अपने आप लाइक बेसिकली आप अपने आप लाइक आप हद से ज़्यादा हंसने लगते हो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि यू आर नॉट जस्ट लाफिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द जोक बट यू आर जस्ट लाफिंग because of joke, and as also the couple of people also laughing, so you are also laughing. Okay, so it's kind of like a something really that कि आप फिर ये जोर से हंस रहे हैं तो आप भी अपना जोर से हंस लेते हो, एंड इट्स became something that कि you are became laugh at loud. Okay, and it is kind of like a something really very important for the health. Okay, when you laugh, I don't know what is kind of like a health issue, like I don't know, it adds some sort of advantages for your health. Okay, yeah, but yeah, is that key, the situation was became very less and less. Now I am became 30. Okay, yeah, and yeah, also all my friends are almost in that particular age range. Okay, yeah, so in that particular age now, okay, in this particular range, everyone has a responsibility like a job, marriage, kids, everything. So because of we have so much responsibility and we have to fulfill that responsibility, so we don't really have that much time to spend with each other so that we could laugh out loud. Trust me, just like that. Couple of days ago, one of my friend has a haldi wedding ceremony, so that's why we laugh, because we gather together and then things happen, फिर हम हंसने लगे, right? But before that, I didn't really laugh out loud for uh almost like 10 months. Yeah, because 10 months ago we went to some sort of climbing. Okay, like we gather and we laugh. Okay, like we all the friends are gather and we decided to went to climb some sort of mountain. I won't be able to reveal the name because the privacy violation, but it just like that, when we like when this climbing process was happened, I was gonna laugh out so much because of that moment was really good. But the point that I wanted to attend you, like basically the things that I wanted to say you is that कि when I am with my couple of people who is actually very close to me, who is a kind of like something like that कि I just kind of like something like that, उनके सामने में माँ बहन की भी गाली दे दूँ ना, I just felt like that कि मैं हंसने लगूंगा. Okay, so लाइक बेसिकली, और ये लोग कैसे होते हैं, ये लोग आपके फैमिली में नहीं हो सकते हैं. These people shouldn't supposed to be like a family member. This person is kind of like a your friends. Okay, so it's just like that na, that laugh out loud moment is mostly in my life. Okay, mostly in my life is actually happened with my friend. Okay, दोस्तों के साथ ही मैं अपने लाफ आउट लाउड वाले मोमेंट मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं. द एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई गॉट ओनली विथ माई फ्रेंड. ओके, या बट आई थिंक दैट कि आई एम प्रिविलेज दैट आई हैव फ्रेंड. what do you mean by friend? Like basically I have friends for almost like a 12-13 साल हो गए. We are stick together एंड स्टिल वी आर गैदर, स्टिल वी डू ऑल दोज पीपल. कोई ऐसा बुरा भला नहीं. हाँ, हमारे बीच में झगड़ा होता है, सॉर्ट आउट भी होता है, रूठना मनाना भी होता है. एवरीथिंग इज एक्चुअली हैपन. ऑब्वियसली शादी में भी बहुत सारे झगड़े हुए, बट स्टिल वी मैनेज, हंसते हैं, रोते हैं, वी डू ऑल दो स्टफ. ओके, it's kind of like a something really amazing thing. Okay, yeah, I could say that I am a privilege that I have friend, because most of the people don't really have a friend, and that is a truth, my friend. That is a really truth. Yeah, it's just like if you are listening this thing, I don't know you have it or not, but if you have it, then appreciate yourself that you have your friend. It's just like if your friendship is last longer than 6 year, obviously you have to stick together, dude. Okay, because the relation that you have with that particular person is not kind of like a something that you should name it. It's a friend. Okay, that's it. But it's kind of like a something that there are so many levels of friend and friendship. It's really important to you that ki, I don't know how do I supposed to kind of like a judge this thing, is that ki yes, I am the privilege that I have friends, okay, from last 13-14 year. Okay, and I haven't really seen such a people who has a friend. उन लोगों के पास दोस्त है. Just very less people I seen that कि they have friend and friend circle. So yeah, the question is about the laugh out loud. So when did I laugh out loud? My answer is couple of days ago, exactly 3 days ago. Okay, by the today's date is a लाइक प्राइवेसी वॉयलेशन में मैं अपना नाम या कोई चीज़ें तो नहीं बता सकता, बट डेट बता सकता हूँ. ओके, डेट या सो टुडेज डेट इज 14th of May 2024. couple of days, that means almost like 11th of May 2024. one of my friend, 11th of May or 12th, yeah, 11th of May 2024, my friend got friend got married at 12th, haldi was at 11th. So we actually get together and we laugh out loud. Yeah, it's a really great moment. Next question.